Welcome to 60 Second Civics, the daily podcast of the Center for Civic Education. I'm Mark Gage. The Supreme Court's 1954 decision in Brown v. Board of Education held that segregation by law was illegal in public schools. However, that decision implied that all segregation laws violated the guarantee of equal protection of the laws. When little was done to implement the Brown decision, the NAACP brought a follow-up case. In Brown 2, 1955, the Supreme Court authorized federal district courts to issue such orders as are necessary and proper to admit to public schools on a racially non-discriminatory basis with all deliberate speed the parties to those cases. Some school districts found ways to implement the Brown decisions, but in some parts of the country, the decisions were extremely unpopular. To understand why, it is necessary to recall that slavery was legal in America for almost 250 years, from 1619 to 1865. After the Civil War and Reconstruction, the Jim Crow system maintained racial separation for more than a half century. Soldiers in the U.S. Army were segregated by race until after the end of World War II. The Army was officially desegregated in 1948 by an executive order of President Harry Truman. That's all for today's podcast, 60 Second Civics, where civic engagement only takes a minute.